be it order management or customer experience. Without modern telephony, your e-commerce platform just falls short. E-commerce is all about fast, flawless service, and Gorgias CRM alone, without a phone integration, can't give you that speed. Your team stay occupied with repetitive call management tasks rather than growing sales. And this gap shouldn't cost you customers. That's why KrispCall's integration in Gorgias is here to fix it all. Every contact you create, call logs, tags, and notes you make auto-sync to your Gorgias account in real time. With it, you can say goodbye to double work. And making calls and sending SMS becomes instant from the CRM. Let's get you started in quick and easy steps. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Click on Integrations and search for Gorgias. After connecting, KrispCall will prompt for your Gorgias account domain. Now, head over to your Gorgias account and copy the domain. Paste it on the KrispCall account and submit. There you go. Your CRM integration is successful. Within KrispCall, you now have access to manage Gorgias integration settings. In General Settings, you can enable or disable data sync preferences. Then, in Workflow Settings, configure exactly which actions you want to sync, whether all or specific ones. Finally, connect one, multiple, or all numbers to personalize how calls and SMS are handled. Once you've set up the customization, you can start by creating contacts in KrispCall. Either create contacts one by one or upload in bulk with a CSV file. They are now synced automatically in your Gorgias. Along with contacts, all call logs, SMS, notes, tags, and recordings also get updated to the CRM without the need to manually update any of them. With synced contacts, this integration even lets you make calls from within Gorgias. To start, first install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Now go to your contacts and click on the KrispCall icon in the number. Select the call option, and the call is ready to begin without switching apps. And while on a call, you can make notes and add tags that sync directly to your Gorgias CRM. Require SMS for order confirmation and updates? Send it directly from your contacts in Gorgias. After clicking on the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, type your message, and send it to your customers. And if you missed a call, your voicemail recordings will update in your CRM as a link for you to listen to it and make follow-ups instantly. It's time to modernize your telephony. Integrate KrispCall in Gorgias today to manage orders and delivery effortlessly, reduce response time, eliminate manual tasks, and keep your e-commerce running smoothly with KrispCall.